And the reason I say that is because if you think about the life cycle of a data science project, and a really well run, ready to deploy data science project kind of converges on a point where it kind of becomes like a software deployment, like any other software deployment out there. It kind of becomes this DevOps exercise at some point. Because if you're really a good data scientist and you're able to write an algorithm, package it up, put it in its own Python library, and then have other people use it for predictive cycles in the future, then that library kind of becomes like any other software library out there. It's data science. It could be different code. It could be whatever you want it to be, right? So ML ops really kind of becomes just like traditional DevOps that you may have done in the past. So that's why I ask you about your past experience with deployment,